honestly think I'm getting a bit better at this crochet and braid thing. If you don't think so, it's fine, but hey. I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. If you are new or already part of my YouTube family, I am Erica. Hey. This is not a tutorial because if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for some time, you kind of know how I install my crochet braids. Like, you should. If you don't worry. I'm going to link my playlist so you guys can click on it. And if you need, like, you know, kind of some ideas as to how I install my crochet braids, then check it out. One of the things that you have to know or must know about me is that I do crochet braids, but I try to use the bare minimum. What I mean by that is I try to use between a pack, 2 packs, and 3 packs the most. I've never done crochet braids before and done over 4 packs. No, definitely not. But I mean, if that's your thing, you like the full hair and you like for it to look bulky, then that's you, but not for me. No, I've done straight hair videos before, and when you look at the top, it kind of looked raised, it looked high, and it just didn't look that great. I like how I install this, just that I'm not really feeling the invisible knot part, but overall, honestly, I like the hair. It looks great. Okay, so there's another invisible knot right there. Okay, so got a few options there. And one of the things that I want to do next, maybe my next video. By the way, if you guys saw the previous video, I did keep that hair in for a week. It was okay. I just didn't particularly like the coarseness of the hair. The color was lovely. I didn't like it. I know I could have kept it in for a while, but yeah, I just didn't like that. But I'm not one of those individuals that come on here and give an update like every week, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, or however long. No, I like the hair. I tried for a bit and then I'm just next, right? So this was kind of like that. And if I'm not really feeling the hair, then I don't necessarily do an update about the hair. So that is just to show you guys that, you know what, you can try the hair for yourselves and see how you like it. But for me personally, I liked it. I just, like I said, I kind of wanted to change and I kept it in for a week. But what I'm gonna do now, like what I find I'm gonna do now, is I'm gonna switch my hair up as much as I can, maybe every week, between every week to every 2 weeks. So if you guys enjoy stuff like that, then stay tuned. If you've seen any of my installation videos for straight hair, usually the top part is really bulky. This part, it's just a matter of getting the hair to kind of lie still. This is braiding hair, by the way. This is not crochet braids, right? But I wanted straight hair. So I didn't want anything too silky, so I decided to go for braiding hair. And this hair that I found, oh my goodness, I think I paid like $6 for the hair. It was like $7, $6, $7. So here's what it looks like. Oh, I was wrong. It's $6.99 at my local beauty supply store. And this is what it's called. It's by Zury. Right here. By Zury. And it is the apple cider vinegar washed 5 times. So this is in the color number 4. I actually went ahead and it was the last pack that they had. It was the color number 1B30, the last, absolute last pack. And I was kind of wishing that they had more. So I used 1 full pack and it comes with like, but honestly, this I'm doing a video. Oh, I love you.
I'm excited.
Okay, give me a second, okay? I tried it in the color number 1B30, But the color number 4 is so similar to the 1B30, but I kind of like the little highlights that the 1B30 had, so that's why I tried it. I would have preferred like another color, maybe something lighter, but this works out fine. Like if you look, like, isn't that pretty? It is. It is. Regardless, it's pretty. So what I did is the same pattern that I tried for the last hairstyle, which is basically, why do I say basically so much? Which is pretty much maybe about 12 braids going midway, like right here in the center. Yeah, midway, like kind of like lining up to the tip of my ear. So about 12 going back, and I would catch them like 2 braids together, and then I would braid the 2 braid in one going back. So maybe 12 at the front and about 8 going all the way back. So that's my braiding pattern, and that's what I use if you guys want to know. The hair is, I paid, like I said, $6.99 for the hair. So easy to use, so easy to separate. Again, it is braiding hair, and I wanted straight hair, so hence I tried this. And do I regret it? No. You honestly, I know you think that this is a wig, but it's not. It's a crochet braid. Like, look at this. It's not even crochet braids. It's braid in hair. Like, I think anything can be crocheted in as long as it doesn't have that silky texture. And this did not have that silky texture. I only had to knot the hair maybe about 2 or 3 times. And one of the tricks that I found is to have the top looking really neat and not bulky. Not just the top, but throughout the install, is to get really small pieces. I used 1 pack, it's like 5 times the hair, and I used 1 pack of the 1B30, which had 6, was it 6? I think it was 5. So it had 5 times hair, it's 5 times. So I used 1 pack of the 1B30, and I used about a bundle of this one here. That is up to you if you wish to use this hair. And again, I mean, $7, $8, between $7 and $8. Oh my gosh, like you cannot go wrong. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Oh my gosh. It is so nice. So this is my absolute first day keeping the hair. And of course, I'm going to try and see if I can curl the hair. But yeah, other than that, I like it. So you guys, if you like videos like these, if you like this, comment, like, share, subscribe, and God willing, you'll stop by my next video. Thank you so much. There's the back, in case you had any questions about the awesomeness of it. Thank you. Do you see my little piece of $7 hair? Do you see it? Do you see this? Honey, this is what it's like knowing to do your hair and not having to go out there and buy your expensive bundles. Hey, if you can do that, that's you. That's you. But yes, I'll be rocking my $7 hair. Thank you very much. Thank ya. Thank ya. Look at this. Waves. Look at this. Hey. Hey. What crochet braids are you talking about? Excuse me? Oh, I do not know what you're talking about. No. These are like my expensive bundles, okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave it here. So I did try this hair and I did use the curling wand. As you can see, I put it at 270 degree, and that's how I achieved this look. From straight to wavy. Yes. 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 Very high quality. Very, very high quality. I'll definitely use this hair again. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. God willing, you will stop by for my next video. Bye. Bye for now.